So today we're playing this game right now. We're gonna be playing Square Bird. It's a game where you just jump, but if you touch the thingies, the blocks, yup, touch it, you're dead. You die, yup. Feeling good, like I should. Ain't go around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, and shit. Oh, I just died. Wow, how embarrassing on my own YouTube channel. I just embarrassed myself. Okay. How am I even dying? Oh my gosh, this is going so slow. My phone is acting up right now. Oh my gosh, this is so stupid. Okay, I got it now. I got it. Go up more. Go up more. Go up more. I just died. Oh, come on. Bruh. Okay. Okay, that's great. Oh my. I'm good. Okay, I don't know if this help this bodybuilder, please. How should I help him? He's a bodybuilder. It doesn't make any sense. Okay. Feeling good. I should. Go I can't believe I didn't. Okay, I just died. Died. Okay, just okay. Okay, thank God I didn't die on that. Oh my God! I just died. Definitely. Okay, so thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe, comment, like, and share this video. And don't forget to share. Don't forget to share with your friends. Make sure to like, comment, and hit that bell. Yep, that bell is crushing. You know it. Peace. Okay, wait. Peace.